girls right here.
Who do the shit that I do?
Hey you guys, in today's video we will be doing this peachy daytime look. This is a full face glam, but it's very wearable, I think, in my opinion. So if you want to see how I create this look and the products I use, just keep on watching. If you're new here, hi, my name is Micaylah. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe at the button down below. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Let's just get right into it. So the first product we'll be using is my holy grail. This is my Essence eyeshadow base. I really love it. It's very inexpensive, $3.49 at Ulta, I believe, or $3.99, one of those. And it works just as good as my Urban Decay primers and anything that I've tried. And I'm just gonna blend it out with my Juno & Co. Cloud Sponge. And for eyeshadow today, we're using the Winky Lux Pokey palette. We're going to go in with the shade Glazed Donut, and I will link all the brushes that I'm using down below, so don't forget to check that out. So these eyeshadows blend out so easily, like it's so quick and easily done. So I really suggest these palettes for your everyday looks because they are so perfect. You can get the pop of color and the everyday look in one. And the next shade we're going to go into is Hottie Toffee. This is to deepen up everything we've done. So where this is going to be like our dimension in the look. And I'm just going to pop that on with this brush from Morphe. This is one of the All I Want eyeshadow brushes. So I'll definitely link that collection down below. And then we're going to blend it out with the brush that we used beforehand to blend out Glazed Donut. And we're just going to get that seamless blend is what you want. And then we're going to go back in with that same color and we're going to re-intensify what we blended out because we really want something blended, but we also want that color payoff. So definitely going back and forth with the shades and blending, then put the shade back on is definitely a good technique to use. And like I said, we're just going to blend that out after reapplying Hottie Toffee. Like I said, just get that seamless blend. And the next color we're going to use for our lip shade is Lovely Lilac. This is a duochrome lilac gold color. And we're going to take that out on this cream color brush from Sigma. And we're just going to use it on a wet brush to make a cut crease. These are intense enough to be able to make a cut crease. They're very metallic and very dimensional shades. So I'm in love with this color, honestly. And for our wing liner, we're using Kylie's Kyliner in the shade Brown. I really like the applicator. It's one of those brush, but it's very, very tightly packed. It's not like a felt tip at all. And it was really easy to create a wing. It's very opaque. I didn't have to go over it too often much. And I was really impressed with how close I can get to my lashes. And for primer today, we're using the Rose Glow or Revlon primer. This is a very hydrating product and it is very, very glowy. I'm not sure how I feel about it because I don't really see a difference in my skin besides the glow. So I will get back to you guys on this. I'm still testing it out, but it is a very nice primer, especially if we have dry skin. For foundation day, we're using something very affordable. This is $6 and it's the Flawless Finish foundation from e.l.f. This is a satin finish and it's oil free and it's a medium buildable coverage, I believe, in my opinion. This is shade Linen and I'm using a Juno & Co. Cloud Sponge to blend it out. I feel like this is a very, very good foundation. It didn't get cakey, it was very comfortable and it lasted for a while on my face. And I really think you guys should check out this foundation. And for concealer, also using e.l.f. This is a hydrating camo concealer. I don't know what shade this is because their shades are really funny. But I really love this concealer. I am using a technique that Robert Welch said to do on the eyes. And I really appreciate him sharing that because it really worked very well on my eyes. So I suggest you try placing the concealer like that instead of a large triangle under your eyes and just like blend it out as he said. He has a whole video on it, so I'll link it down below. But I really love this foundation. It's very good for my under eyes and it's very, very brightening. For my under eyes, I'm using the Laura Mercier Under Eye Brightening Powder. I'm just gonna pounce that under my eyes really quick. I really like this palette. It's really loose, but it really keeps everything from creasing. And then for face, I wanted it to be nice and glowy, so I'm taking the translucent matte and the translucent glow powder from Laura Mercier and putting that all over my face very lightly. And for bronzer, we're using this Throw Shade palette from Makeup Obsession. I am going with the shade Respect, which I really like this color. And I'm using one of the Sigma, I think, Structure Contour brushes. And I am holding it near the end so I don't get a lot of pressure. I just really want a seamless, like, definition to my face. So I'm sticking it right in my cheekbone. And I will also be putting it on my forehead and I guess contouring my nose. I don't know. This is too warm to contour. So I honestly just want dimension all over my face. So this is what I'm doing. And then for a highlighter, we're going with Ofra Rodeo Drive. All-time favorite. It's so beautiful and so glowy. This is the Sigma F06 brush. You can use Bake with K10 to get 10% off of this brush and any of the other baking and strobing brushes or brush set. So now that that's out of the way, do y'all see how glowy this looks? It's so freaking pretty. And for blush, I've been loving these Laura Mercier blushes. This is the shade Fresco, I believe. I'm not completely sure. I'll link it down below. You guys just look down in the description for everything. But these blushes are everything to me. I've been using them nonstop. Like, I love the shade Peach. It's my favorite. Okay, for lashes today, we're using the roller lash from Benefit to apply some dimension and to blend the lashes into our false lashes, which is the Makeup Shack KEHLANII lashes. And the glue that I use is the the Kiss Lash Adhesive. So we're going to be applying that to the upper and lower, not too much because we don't need too awful much to be using false lashes. And then I'm going to apply my lashes with some tweezers, and then we're done with the eyes. And another Kylie lip combo that I have been loving, Iced Latte is my favorite Kylie lip liner, and then we're using Lost Angel High Gloss. The lip liners are really creamy, are very good. They don't dry my lips or anything like that. I'm just gonna fill in most of my lip with it, and then I'm gonna apply the gloss on top, which I love these glosses because they're not sticky. They're very hydrating. They last pretty much all day, honestly. And you guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for coming by and watching my video with me. I appreciate it so much. So if you have any requests for makeup looks or products to use, just leave them in the comments down below. And make sure you let me know if you like these type of videos. If not, I'll change up my routine. So, okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.